Welcome back to the channel. You are now making easy money with Obi. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, a comment, and feel free at any time to click the link in the top right corner to join the Discord. Today I loaded up on more PLTR shares and I plan on loading up on even more before the month is over with. I'm going to explain to you guys why here in a second, but before we do so, don't forget I will be going live over on my main YouTube channel, which is called Making Easy Money. And when you guys do get over here, make sure you hit that notify me button so you will be notified when Monday's live stream starts.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
With the correction that Palantir has seen the last 2 weeks of trading, presenting a great buying opportunity isn't the main reason why I'm loading up on shares before the end of the month. In fact, I'm going to give you 3 key reasons why. One of those being the growth and profitability currently right now is insane. In fact, Palantir just dropped a monster Q3, and on top of that, they printed and adjust operating margin of about, I believe, 51%, showing this isn't just a story stock, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, it's scaling like a beast and throwing off serious profit right now. And that second reason is being their AIP. For those that don't understand what that means, that is their AI platform, which isn't just another chat box. It's wired directly into critical operations for the government and enterprise. And with a few of those government contracts coming towards its expiration date, we do expect to hear some reconstruction deals going on, which can work as a catalyst here before the year is over with. Companies are literally saving tens of millions in operating costs using their AI platform, like the company Lear. Over $30 million in savings the first half of 2025. Also, American Airlines saved tens of millions of dollars, while BP is seeing triple-digit ROI, which is only causing a growing in demand for their products due to their clients have to use them to stay in competition with their competitors. And last but not least, the volatility has finally given me a dip to load up on, while the story of the stock is even stronger than ever. In fact, so far this year, the stock is already more than doubled and even briefly pushed Palantir in the top 20 most valuable companies in the US. In fact, the recent pullback has been driven mostly by valuation fears in the tech correction, but here, guys, no fear whatsoever. In fact, if we take a brief look and check out the chart here, we're currently looking at the week interval. And as you guys can see here, we did slightly break below that mid Bollinger Band, but making a solid recovery. I do feel as though that the stock stands a very great chance here to retest this upper Bollinger Band before the month is over with. If we take a brief look and check out the 4-hour chart here really quickly, as you guys can see here, we did ride that lower here, but it seems as though that we're making a recovery here towards the mid. And if we do break that towards the upside, ladies and gentlemen, we will see a SAR flip alongside. And it's more than likely we're going to feel this gap here between that $193 as high as $193.32 again before the month is over with. A few easy money call options you may want to consider.
Tell them to bring me my money.
And with that easy money call option being the $185 strike for the expiration of November 28th. I do expect to see share prices as high as $195 by then. And if that is the case, if we take a brief look to the right of our screen and use our price calculator and insert the number 195, and let's see the day of expiration, ladies and gentlemen, we will see a 234% return by end of expiration from the underlying price we see here today, with that theoretical price being $10.19. With that being said, I am very confident in PLTR and its capabilities to continue to steal market share from its competitor. In fact, I have been confident in PLTR since alerting this thing back on August 5th, 2024, just for the entry price of only $22.19, labeling this a long-term hold with low risk. If we take a brief look and just check out the charts here, ladies and gentlemen, and see from 2024, as you guys see here, the stock was under $25 then. And if we take a brief look and check out those interval stats, as you guys can see here, the stock has returned over 710% just in 65 trading days, which is very understandable why some traders may believe this is the sell-off that Palantir was destined to see. But don't be fooled, ladies and gentlemen. Take this opportunity to load up the boat, because this thing is ready to set sail. And don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you won't miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted CYCU for the entry price of only $2.70 here on November 10th, just 4 trading days ago. And if we take a brief look and check out, the stock ultimately reached a high here today of $7.13, which is over 164%, and that is what you call a home run play. And you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is drop down in that comment section below. The sign up link is pinned for you all. With that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.